presenting a new video of Universal Baba. How tidal power plant works. What is a tidal power plant? We know that tides can be used as a source of generating electricity, so the energy can be obtained from the rising and falling tides in coastal areas. Places like narrow bays and estuaries where the difference between high and low tide is more are best for tidal power plants. Parts of tidal power plant: a dam or barrage used to form a reservoir to collect seawater during high tide. Sluice gates through which water is passed between reservoir and the water body, and the powerhouse for electricity generation. Structure: a barrage, sluice gates, and turbine. Working: during high tide, when the water level is up in the sea, the sluice gates are opened and water is allowed to transfer from the sea to the reservoir. During this, the turbine rotates, and in turn it rotates the generator to generate electricity. When the reservoir is full, the sluice gates are closed. During low tide, when the level of the sea is normal, sluice gates are closed with water in the reservoir. When the level becomes low again, the sluice gates are opened and the water is allowed to transfer from the reservoir to the sea. In this, the turbine rotates again to generate electricity. When the water is emptied out of the reservoir, the gates are closed and the electricity production is stopped. This way, a turbine or a tidal power plant generates electricity during both high and low tides. Energy transformation in tidal power plant: kinetic energy in the form of tidal waves, or to the potential energy of stored water, to the energy of turbine, mechanical energy of turbine, to the electrical energy. Benefits of tidal power plant: tidal power is inexhaustible and is independent of rainfall. Tidal power plants do not demand large area of valuable land. Drawbacks of tidal power plant: power output depends on the tides produced. Tidal power generation is an intermittent operation. Tidal power plant hampers the natural uses of estuaries such as fishing and navigation. Thanks for watching. And friends, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Universal Baba.